Okay, this is going to be a quick video of the SEARS Kenmore 158 series free arm sewing machine. I just went through the sewing machine. I've been doing some testing and get questions about how capable it is for sewing heavier items, so I just wanted to make a quick video. This is a super simple machine. It just does a straight stitch and a zigzag. And it's got a 1 amp motor. It's made in Taiwan. It's all metal except for this little extension table you can take off. And let me get you on the tripod. And get you lined up. Okay, what I've got going on here is, first I just want to show, I hope this shows up in the video. This is a all-purpose dual duty thread, and you'll see how thin that is. I'll hold it right over the table here. This is what most people have at home that they're sewing with. Okay, the next step up is a Tex 40 thread. You can see it's a little bit heavier. Okay, then the next step up here is what I have loaded in the machine right now. This is a number 69 bonded nylon. Okay, so what a lot of the demos on YouTube are showing you when they're showing leather, to make sure everything's working for them, to me it's a little deceiving, but whatever. What they're doing is they're taking a size 14 needle and they're using the thinnest thread possible, and that's usually what they do their demo with. But you're not going to sew two pieces of leather together with this thread. It just doesn't make sense. Okay, so what I've got in here, you're going to want to step up to a size 16 needle, preferably a leather needle if this is what you're going to sew, leather. And this is the maximum you're going to do with a machine like this. You're not going to do anything thicker than this. This is it right here. This is just a regular size 16 needle, not made for leather. And I'll just demo how this works. I get the needle up out of the way. And one thing you want to do, you want to make sure you have enough pressure on your foot. On a Kenmore, push it down to about 3 and bury the needle. And you'll see that, oops, with the correct thread that you would use on a project like this, this machine is going to be able to handle these 2 layers of leather. Okay, that wasn't a problem. So I'm going to get this out of the way. Alright, you can see you got a nice stitch in the back. You're using the type of thread you're really going to use on this. You're not kind of showboating and using a thin thread just to show that it'll do it. And that's not coming apart. Okay, so if you're working on leather like this, sure, this machine will work. This will do it. Okay, the next thing I want to show is this is a marine vinyl, so it's a little bit thinner material. If you want to fix your boat seats or a Jeep or something like that, we'll put 4 layers of that in there. The same size 16 needle, the bonded nylon. You can also buy a UV resistant bonded polyester thread, which is going to function the same in the machine as this bonded nylon. It's going to be about the same thickness and everything. This is a number 69. 4 layers of marine vinyl. When you're doing a project like this, needles are cheap. Use a brand new needle. If you start to have problems, put a new needle in. There we got a nice stitch on the back of that marine vinyl. A nice stitch on the front. Make sure I'm in the camera here. And it's not coming apart. And I don't think, if you do boat seats, I can't imagine you're ever going to get to the point where you're doing anything more than 4 layers of this. Alright, and then the next thing I'll do will be just some denim. Denim, you won't use this type of thread. You're going to switch to a different type of thread, but I'll just show the machine. Show the machine doing it. Let's see if it'll do it. Bury the needle. Oh yeah. It has reverse. Everybody thought he's going to finish the video and not even showing it locking the stitch. Alright, and that's 5 layers of fairly heavy blue jean. Is it 5 or is it 4? Well, it's 4 layers. But it's pretty thick. It's over 1/4 of an inch thick. Alright, for this demonstration, this is the needle I'm using. Schmetz. Size 16 needle. And the thread I'm using is I don't know if you can see in there, it's a bonded nylon, size 69. Okay, anything else we need to go over? I think that's it. Alright, nice little sewing machine. It's going to be on Facebook Marketplace. Thanks for watching.